students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 8, Mixed Bag, Chapter number 45, Basic Health Care. Taking care of our health is very easy, but we often ignore it. It is important to follow the basic rules of health care so that we can lead a healthy and active life. Given below are some sentences. Put a right in the ones that are correct. Put a cross in the ones that are not. Green leafy vegetables and fruits should be part of our daily diet. Yes. A lot of salt in our diet is good for us. No. Water should not be drunk with meals. Drink water either half an hour before a meal or half an hour after it. Yes. Number 4, exercise and outdoor activities are good for us. We build our muscles and keep fit by exercising every day. Yes. 5, we need 8 hours of sleep at night. Yes. Number 6, drinking juice is better than having fruit. No. Number 7, breakfast should be the main meal of the day. Dinner should be the lightest. Yes. Number 8, we must go off to sleep immediately after having dinner. Number 9, drink plenty of water. It helps to flush out waste from the body and also helps to digest the food. Yes. Number 10, overeating is unhealthy. 1/3 of our stomach should remain empty even after we have had our meal. Correct. Number 11, food should be gulped down quickly. Chewing the food will destroy the nutrients in it. No. 12, meals should be eaten at the same time every day. Yes. Dental care tips. Brush your teeth twice a day in the morning and half an hour after dinner. While brushing, ensure that you brush on all sides. Do not eat anything after you have brushed your teeth at night. Use a toothbrush with soft bristles. They are gentle on the teeth. Change your toothbrush when the bristles begin to lose shape. Use a tongue cleaner every time you brush your teeth. Use dental floss to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Ideally, floss your teeth daily. Ask your dentist the correct way to floss. A common problem is bad breath called halitosis. By brushing properly, flossing daily, and using a mouthwash, you can prevent bad breath. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 46, a wider canvas. Answer the following questions. India's little master Sunil Gavaskar took only 1 wicket in test matches. Who was the batsman out? Zaheer Abbas. Two. Impressed by his voice, legendary director Satyajit Ray asked which actor to give a voice over for his movie Shatranj Ke Khiladi? Amitabh Bachchan. Three, Operation Duck, Operation Easy and Operation Gulab were part of which armed conflict involving India? The India-Pak War. The India-Pak War in 1947. Number 4. Originally called War Memorial, this monument was built to commemorate Indian soldiers who died during World War I and the Afghan War. Which edifice is this? India Gate. Number 5. Who was the only player never to have played a single match during India's victorious 1983 World Cup campaign? Sunil Vasan. Number 6. What was the code name of the operation in which India successfully conducted nuclear test in Pokhran on May 11, 1988? Operation Shakti. Number 7. Name the place where the Karni Devi temple, where rats are worshipped as the deity's descendants, is situated. Bikaner. Number 8. Who standardized the use of Indian Standard Time? Lord Curzon. Number 9. The Terrorist and Disruptive Acts Prevention Act was introduced during the governance of which Prime Minister? P.V. Narasimha Rao. Number 10. India signed the Panchsheel Treaty with which neighboring country? China. 11. For which discovery did C.V. Raman with the Nobel Prize for Physics? Inelastic scattering of light. Number 12. How many rivers are mentioned in our national anthem? 2. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 47, Dance and Music. Fill in the blanks with the help of help box given below. 1. Dash became the most fashionable social dance in the 19th century Europe. What's 2. Flamenco is a gypsy dance of Spain. Dash, a dignified dance, was a component of the ancient Greek dramas. Emilia. Giselle, one of the best known ballet, was composed by Adolphe Adam. 5. Dash was the famous Dutch dancer whose stage name meant Eye of the Morning. Mata Hari. 6. Country dances are the folk dances of Britain. 7. Dash, a famous actor singer, is known for conveying an emotional appeal through popular songs. Frank Sinatra. Rolling Star is the famous UK rock band. 9. The most successful female pop singer of 80s was Madonna. 10. Dash is one of the most commercially successful artists who is a singer come dancer. Michael Jackson. 11. Dash was the most famous rock artist of the 70s and 80s. Elton John. 12. Bob Dylan, a performer and songwriter, is one of the most creative rock musician. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 48, Instrumental Tradition. Look at the pictures, read the description, and write the names of these traditional musical instruments from across the world. Number 1. Dash is a percussion instrument. It consists of a set of wooden bars struck with mallets to produce musical tones. Resonators suspended under the bars amplify their sound. It is marimba. Number 2. Dash is a Russian string musical instrument with a unique triangular wooden hollow body with 3 strings played with fingers or leather plectrums. This instrument comes in various sizes. It is balalaika. 3. Dash is made of wood and its head is made of stretched animal hide. It is a popular musical instrument of North India. Tabla. Number 4. Dash is a notable instrument, basically a harp guitar having 4 necks, 2 sound holes, and 42 strings. It resembles in appearance the cubist work of the famous artist Pablo Picasso. Picasso guitar. Number 5. Dash is a tube instrument from Madagascar made of bamboo. This instrument is used for playing ritual music to someone. Wala. Valiha. It is Valiha. Number 6. Dash is a traditional Himalayan musical instrument often used during Tibetan Buddhist religious festival. It is played by plucking, strumming or finger picking. ये है ड्रामिन. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 49, the right word. Okay. Given in the box below are some words for foreign origin that are commonly used in English. You have to put the right term in the blanks. Take help from the help box. 1. Cambridge University is my alma mater. The president is a member of this committee, ex officio. Number 3. If you want to leave, the exit is over there. Number 4. He was caught red-handed in flagrant Flagellate delicto. Enjoy the present day. Number 6. I made a stupid mistake saying that it was a real. It is Fox Pass. 7. You really hurt his self esteem. You damaged his. A more proper. 8. I'm acting in a good faith. I have bona fide. Reason for doing this. Number 9. I have found it. Eureka. Number 10. He sent her a billet dogs. Telling her how much he loved her. Number 11. The army has taken control of the country in a coup d'etat. Number 12. This is a debate which could go on and on. Ad infinitum. Infinitum. $30. Do you want to eat from set menu or a la carte? $14. He was given a completely free hand. So he was an carte blanche. $15. I think he is no longer sane. I'm sure he is not. This. Compos mentis. Compos mentis.
Hey, it better be.
60. He had been sent in to stir up trouble. So he was an agent provocateur. Provocateur. 17. Technically, Tony is still the boss until he retires, but Sarah is now the de facto boss. De facto. The team spirit is excellent. They have a great spirit de corps. $19. It's too nice to eat inside. Let's eat fresco. Al fresco. $20. Tom is really close to Robert, his alter ego. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 51. So chapter number 50, Museum of the World. Given below are a few famous museum of the world. Match these with the places where they are located. Column A, column B. Number 1, Picasso Museum. Barcelona. F. Acropolis Museum, Athens. G. Oceanographic Museum, Monopole. H. Metropolitan Museum of Art. Number 4 is New York. Option I. Number 5, Pushkin Museum of Fine Arts, Moscow. Option J. 6, Al Ain Palace Museum, Abu Dhabi. Option K. Number 7, Museum of Fine Arts, Boston. Option L. Number 8, the Vatican Museum, Rome. Option M. Number 9, Henry Ford Museum in Detroit. Option N. Van Gogh Museum. Number 10, Amsterdam. Option O. Number 11, Smithsonian Institution. 11. Option E, Washington. Option E. Number 12, the Louvre. Option D, Paris. Uffizi Gallery. 13. Option C, Florence. Tata Gallery. Option B, London. And 15, Belvedere Gallery. Option A, Vienna. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 51. Famous nickname. Number 1, which British sporting personality was known as the Dark Destroyer? Nigel Benn. 2. Deadly was the nickname of which bowler who took 297 test wickets? Derek Underwood. 3. Which footballer was known as Lion of Vienna? Nat Lofthouse. Number 4. Which sportsman is known as the Golden Bear? Jack Nicklaus. Number 5. What was the nickname of the French tennis star René Lacoste? René Lacoste. The crocodile. 6. Which Formula One driver was nicknamed the Professor? Alain Prost. 7. Which snooker player was nicknamed the Grinder? Cliff Thorburn. Number 8. Who is the record-breaking American sprinter of the 1990s with the nickname the Kansas Cannonball? It is Maurice Green. Maurice 9. In rugby union, who are the Los Pumas? Argentina. Number 10. Which famous European football club is known as the Old Lady? Juventus. Okay, so my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 52, poisonous plants. We eat a variety of plants in our daily diet, but we must be careful because some plants are very poisonous. They can cause various disorders or even death. Given below are the pictures of plants along with the toxic part and symptoms. So name the plant. Name of the plant, picture of the plant, toxic part, symptoms. So it is daffodil. Bulbs, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, death may occur. Number 2. Oleander. पिक्चर ऑफ द प्लांट, टॉक्सिक पार्ट है इसके लीव्स एंड ब्रांचेस और सिम्टम्स हैं वेरी पॉइजनस अफेक्टिंग द हार्ट, कैन कॉज डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स एंड इवन डेथ. नंबर 3. मॉन्सून. सो इसका टॉक्सिक पार्ट है फ्लैशी रूट्स, सिम्टम्स हैं डाइजेस्टिव अपसेट एंड नर्वस एक्साइटमेंट. नंबर 4. Lily of the valley. इसका टॉक्सिक पार्ट है लीव्स एंड फ्लावर्स. सिम्टम्स है कॉज इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट एंड पल्स, डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स एंड मेंटल कंफ्यूजन. नंबर 5. फोनग्लफ. इसका टॉक्सिक पार्ट है लीव्स और सिम्टम्स हैं कॉज इरेगुलर हार्ट बीट एंड पल्स, डाइजेस्टिव डिसऑर्डर्स, डेथ में ओकर. नंबर 6. जैस्मिन. टॉक्सिक पार्ट है इसकी बैरीज, डाइजेस्टिव सिम्टम्स हैं डाइजेस्टिव एंड नर्वस डिसऑर्डर्स, इट मे इवन प्रो फैक्टर. नंबर 7 इज बटरकप. इसका टॉक्सिक पार्ट है ऑल पार्ट्स, severely affects the digestive system. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 53, the magnificent trees. Given below are the 10 most magnificent trees of the world. Observe their pictures, read their description, and then write the names of the tree. Number 1. This is the most famous tree in France. It is a building as well as a religious monument in one. This is called the Chapaloke tree. Number 2. This is the tallest tree in the world, found in USA. This is called the Coast Redwood. Tree. Number 3. This is a large tree in Mexico. Local legend say that one can make out animals like jaguars and elephants in the trunk. This is called the tree of life. The name of this tree is the dash tree. This is Tule tree. Number 4. This tree is one of the world's biggest trees, found in California, USA. It can live for about 4,000 years and measure over 260 feet tall. This is called the dash tree. So which tree? General Sherman. Number 5. This tree is also called the trembling giant. It is actually a colony of a single tree. All the trees in this colony are part of a single living organism. with an enormous underground root system. This is called the pando tree or which tree? ओके इसको इसको जो है पैंडो ट्री भी बोलते हैं और इसको ट्रेम्बलिंग जियांट भी बोलते हैं. Number 6. This is the oldest living tree in the world in California, USA. This tree is 4,838 years old. This is called the Methuselah tree. Methuselah. Number 7. This is the largest tree in India. Seen in the Botanical Gardens of Kolkata, it is about 200 years old and its aerial roots spread over an area of about 2 hectares. So it is called the banyan tree. Number 8. It is one of the youngest looking trees in the world. So it is found in Africa. It can grow up to nearly 30 meter tall and 11 meter wide. So the most peculiar feature of this tree is its wooden trunk that can store about 4,000 liters of water. Its fruit called the monkey bread is edible. It is called the dash tree. It is baobab tree. Number 9. This tree is a work of nature as well as a bean farmer and Irrelanson her pan and he grafted this tree from some sycamore trees. It is called the dash tree. It is circus tree. Circus. Number 10. This tree stands in isolation, which makes this tree all the more beautiful. So it is called lawn cypress. Okay, so yes, students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 54. Word world. English vocabulary consists of many words that have evolved from other languages. Look at the following words and identify the languages they originally come from. Number 1, restaurant. It is French word. Number 2, judo, Japanese. Number 3, beret. It is European. Number 4, karate, Okinawa. Number 5, spaghetti. Spaghetti is Italian word. Number 6, khaki, Hindustani. Number 7, ketchup, Chinese. Number 8, mayonnaise, French. Number 9, koala. It is Australian. Number 10, hamburger, German. Yogurt, Turkish. 12, algebra, Arabia. Kayak, Greenland. Cafe, Italian. TP, Lakota. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 55, Global IQ. Match these amazing world records with the correct names. Okay. So let me start. Okay. Number 1. Largest delta. Sundarbans, India. O. Option O. Largest desert. S. Sahara, Africa. Option S. Sahara. Number 3. Largest bay. Hudson, Canada. Option F. Longest continent. Asia. Option K. Longest epic. Mahabharata. Option Q. Largest freshwater lake. Superior, USA. Option N. Lightest gas. Number 7. Option B. Hydrogen. Highest mountain range. Himalayas. Option D. Hardest substance. Option R. Diamond. Number 10. Longest river. Yes, Nile. Option C. Deepest ocean. Pacific. Option P. Largest archipelago. 12. Option T. Indonesia. Largest temple. Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Option E. Highest country, Tibet. Option L. Largest mammal, blue whale. Option I. Highest melting point, tungsten. Option H. Largest country in area. Option M. Russia. Biggest dome, Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur, India. Option G. Largest railway platform. Option J. Kharagpur, India. And the last one, tallest freestanding minaret. Option A. Qutub Minar, Delhi, India. Option A. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 57. Chapter number 56, Chandrayaan 3, our achievement. On August 23, 2023, India created history after Chandrayaan 3 achieved a soft landing near the lunar south pole of the moon. Attempt these quiz to know more about this ambitious mission. Number 1. What was the launch date of Chandrayaan 3 mission? 14 July 2023. Number 2. The Chandrayaan 3 rover is known as Pragyan. Number 3. The mission life of the lander and rover is 14 Earth days. 4. Which launcher was used for Chandrayaan 3? Option C. GSLV Mk3. 5. What is the approximate cost of Chandrayaan 3 mission? Option A. 600 crore. 600 crore. 6. What is the total weight of Chandrayaan 3? 3,900 kg. Number 7. Which of these is missing in Chandrayaan 3? Orbiter. 8. How did the Chandrayaan 2 orbiter welcome Chandrayaan 3? Welcome, buddy. 9. Who is the rocket woman behind Chandrayaan 3? Ritu Karidhar. 10. At what time did the Vikram lander touch the lunar surface? 6:04 p.m. IST. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 57, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, India's Space Hero. On 26 June 2025, a red letter day in Indian space. History: Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla became the first Indian to visit the International Space Station. Axiom Mission 4. This mission was led by former National Aeronautics and Space Administration NASA veteran Peggy Whitson Group Captain Shukla, piloted this mission. The crew members included Sloz Uzinski, Poland, and Tibor Kapo, Hungary. The time period of the mission was scheduled for 2 weeks. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla is the second Indian space. The first was squadron leader Rakesh Sharma, who flew aboard a Soviet spacecraft in 1984. So many space agencies come together to make this mission a success. Prominent among them were NASA, India, ISRO, ESA, the European Space Agency, and Space Tech. Okay, so the mission lasted for 18 days. During this period, Shubhanshu Shukla performed more than 60 scientific experiments on plants, human, muscles, food, and tiny life forms. So these studies will help astronauts in future mission to the moon and Mars. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, has ambitious plans for the future. It's planning to launch India's first ever human space flight. ISRO also announced its most ambitious project yet, to set up a modular space station where astronauts can stay for 3 to 6 months. So my dear students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.